Hi, my name's Michael. I'm changing careers into AI programming. This is our weekly update where we pretend that you are the manager and this is our one-on-one. This is week 6. Here's what I'm working on this week. Small updates. The bulk is done. Here's something you need help with. The app base layer is a map. On top of that is a sheet that gets dragged up. And in that sheet is a scrollable section. Now, when I try and drag that sheet from the top, it actually moves the map underneath and doesn't let me drag the sheet up and down. But when the scrollable section isn't in that sheet, everything works fine. I haven't figured out how to fix that. What I did. So I added that bottom sheet and then populated that with the results of the search. And you can also click into any one of those results to see more details on any of the places. I also changed all the other buttons as they interact with that sheet. Nothing is parked and nothing is completed. So I'm into flag. Today I'm moving back to Vancouver, and this week I'm going to be moving into a new place. So that's going to be my priority. Something fun from this week is that I got to visit my niece and nephew and we went jumping around together on a trampoline. What I liked about the work is how much code is already out there for me to use. I thought I'd have to do the whole bottom sheet and it's dragging animation from scratch, but there's actually just something you can pull off the shelf for that. And I'm looking forward to all the other really useful pull off the shelf things that I'll learn about. It's kind of like going through a dungeon and opening up different treasure chests and finding really useful equipment. Something I struggled with, I wanted a marker to change color when it was selected. Chat suggested 2 approaches that were both quite extensive code changes and didn't seem well designed. So it was first hard to choose which one to go with, and then hard to implement. I have a working solution, but in a couple weeks I want to go back and refactor my code. Something I used to think but now understand better. I used to think I understood my code because as I wrote each chunk, I understood what that chunk did. But now there are enough chunks that I'm losing sight of how the whole system flows together. So I read through my code, tried to visualize what the flow was, and see which functions we're calling on each other. So that's it. To sign off this week, I want to thank my friend Sam. We caught up this weekend, went for a long walk talking about life philosophy. It's not for everybody, but I'm glad he and I enjoy it. Different kinds of conversations connect me to different parts of myself. But I can only have certain conversations with certain friends. So it's great when I can connect those friends, because I also get to connect to those parts of me.